Good morning. It's the 2nd of January 2026 at 7:30 in the morning. And the almighty algorithm has given me one of these guides again. Now, this is if I'm smart enough for college. So I've put the speed up to 1.75. So let's go over and do this.
100 questions in this quiz that will test how much you know about science, history, geography, language, literature, logical reasoning, and much more. All the things you should know by the time you finish school and want to apply to college or university. This is a mega quiz, so grab a snack and get settled in. Remember to keep track of how many questions you can answer and check the end of the video to see which rank you managed to get. Let's begin.
Okay.
Question 1. 60% of the Amazon rainforest is in which country? Argentina, Brazil, or Venezuela?
Brazil.
The answer is Brazil. What do you call a big group of islands? An archipelago, peninsula, or caldera?
That'd be a archipelago. Archipelago.
Which continent has the highest number of countries? Asia, Africa, or Europe?
I think it's Africa.
Africa. Which of the following passes through the city of Greenwich in England? The Tropic of Capricorn,
That would be the
equator, or
prime meridian.
The prime meridian. Which of the following is a type of wetland found at a river mouth? A plateau, an escarpment, or a delta?
Be a delta.
And the answer is a delta. What type of clouds are thunderclouds? Cumulonimbus, cirrostratus, or altostratus?
Cumulus nimbus, because it's kind of the accumulate
Cumulonimbus.
together.
On which continent is the country of Cambodia? Africa, Asia, or South America?
I'm going to say Asia, I'm thinking. I think
It is
so.
Asia. Which is the longest river in North America? The Missouri, Mississippi, or the Rio Grande?
I'm going to say Missouri.
The
I
Missouri
thought
River.
Mississippi, Missouri.
What is the capital city of Canada? Is it Montreal, Toronto, or Ottawa?
I'm going to say Ottawa.
The answer is Ottawa.
Okay.
Greenland is an autonomous territory belonging to which country? Sweden, Finland, or Denmark?
Greenland. I think that's Denmark, isn't it?
The answer is Denmark. Which country uses the rand as its official currency? Egypt, South Africa, or Nigeria?
I think it's Nigeria.
The correct answer is South Africa.
I mean South Africa.
Which ocean is between the USA and England? The Atlantic, Indian, or Pacific Ocean?
That'd be the Atlantic.
It is the Atlantic Ocean.
I know that from the musical Hair.
Which of these countries does not share a land border with China? Vietnam, India, or South Korea?
South Korea, I think.
The answer is South Korea. Found in Venezuela, which is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall? Victoria, Niagara, or the Angel Falls?
That'd be Angel Falls, because Victoria
Angel
is in
Falls.
Australia and Niagara is in
What do you call people native
America.
to the Netherlands? Are they Danish, Flemish, or Dutch?
They'll be the Dutch.
They are Dutch. What do you call a repeating of vowel sounds in words next to each other? Alliteration, assonance, or antithesis?
I think it's assonance, right?
It is called assonance. The line, to be or not to be, comes from which Shakespeare
That's
play?
from Hamlet.
Romeo and Juliet, or
To be or
Macbeth?
not to be, that's a question where there's nobody in the mantis of the things are ours, or
The correct answer is
richest
Hamlet.
fortune.
Which of the following is a synonym for the word fecund? Foolish, fearful, or fertile?
Fertile? I
Fertile.
think.
Who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? F. Scott Fitzgerald, J.D. Salinger, or Harper Lee?
It's probably Harper Lee, I'm
Harper Lee.
thinking.
Which is a phrase that uses two contradictory words to create a new meaning? An oxymoron,
Oxymoron.
a metaphor, or a euphemism? An oxymoron. Which word is an antonym for terminate? Halt, commence, or impede?
Antonym, that would be commence, and because antonym's
The answer is
opposite.
Government power and
there we
totalitarianism
go.
is the theme of which of these books? Moby Dick,
1984.
or The Great Gatsby? 1984. What was the name of William Shakespeare's wife? Anne Hathaway, Kate Blanchett, or Kristen Scott Thomas?
I think it's Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway. Complete the saying. A picture is worth 1,000
1,000
words. A bird
words.
in the hand or a penny? A picture is worth 1,000 words. Who is the main protagonist of Pride and Prejudice? Maria Rayner, Olivia Caulfield, or Elizabeth Bennet?
No idea. I'm going to say Olivia, but I've no idea.
Elizabeth Bennet. Which of these words means serenely free of interruption or disturbance? Mesmeric, euphoric, or placid?
Placid, I'm
placid.
thinking.
What do you call exaggerated statements not meant to be taken literally? An epigram, hyperbole, or simile?
Hyperbole.
The correct answer is hyperbole. How many syllables are there in a haiku? 13, 15, or 17?
I think if that's 17, if I'm not mistaken, I think.
17. Someone that selflessly helps others can be called pragmatic,
That's
heroic, or
altruistic.
altruistic. Which of these novels was written by Charles Dickens? War and Peace,
Great
or A Dog's Tale?
Expectations.
Great Expectations.
Doodle-dum.
Which one of the following was never a US president? Benjamin Franklin, George Washington, or Abraham Lincoln?
Benjamin Franklin.
Benjamin Franklin. Which of these wars ended in 1953? The Vietnam, Korean, or World War II?
53 Korean War, I think it was.
The Korean War. Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during World War II? Vladimir Lenin, Joseph Stalin, or Adolf Hitler?
Oh, Stalin, I'm thinking. But I'm
The
probably
correct
wrong.
answer is Joseph Stalin. The Rosetta Stone was discovered in which country? Egypt, India, or Persia?
I'm going to say Egypt, but I'm probably wrong.
It was found in Egypt.
Oh, right.
Which country did Germany invade that sparked the beginning of World War II?
Poland.
Russia, France, or Poland? The answer is Poland. Christopher Columbus was born in which country? Italy, Spain, or Portugal?
Italy. Worked with Portugal, but I think he was born in
He was
Italy.
born in Italy.
They worked with Spain, sorry.
Which
Tried
country was
Portugal then.
founded in
Okay, sorry.
1847 by freed slaves from the USA? Morocco, Angola, or Liberia?
Liberia, if I'm not mistaken.
Liberia. Hugo Chavez was president of which South American country? El Salvador, Colombia, or Venezuela?
Venezuela, I
Venezuela.
think.
Which of these wars was fought between England and Argentina? The Crimean,
That'd be the Falklands
or
War.
Montebello War?
A small island very close to Argentina,
answer is the
filled with
Falklands
sheep
War.
and oil.
Nelson Mandela was imprisoned on which island? St. Helena, Robben Island, or Rikers?
It's not Rikers. I'm thinking St. Helena, but I've no
South
idea.
Africa's Robben Island.
Okay, there you go. No, no.
Which empire was ruled by Genghis Khan? The Mongol,
would be the
Roman,
Mongol
or Persian
Empire.
The Mongol Empire. Which of the following was issued by US President Abraham Lincoln? The Magna Carta, Emancipation
That would
Proclamation,
be
or the Treaty of Versailles?
Emancipation Proclamation.
The Emancipation Proclamation. In 1899, the Boxer Rebellion took place in which country? Mexico, Ireland, or China?
I'm saying China, no idea though. Absolutely no idea.
In China.
Oh,
Who painted the Mona Lisa? Was it Leonardo da
that'd be
Vinci, Vincent van
Leonardo
Gogh,
da
or
Vinci.
Michelangelo?
They thought it was a.
Leonardo
Some
da
people
Vinci.
say it's an
Che Guevara was born in which country?
Cuba.
Cuba, Bolivia, or Argentina?
Oh, or Bolivia, Cuba,
He was born in Argentina.
Argentina. Okay, there we go. Doodle-doo.
A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared is known as the golden ratio,
That's
Pythagorean theorem, or the Fibonacci
Pythagorean
sequence.
theorem, if I'm not mistaken.
It is the Pythagorean theorem.
Okay, I was going to say the golden
In the accounting equation, assets is equal to liabilities plus income, debt, or
assets
equity.
plus income, equity,
Assets.
equity,
liabilities,
equity. Go on,
Plus
equity.
equity, isn't it?
Yeah,
Equity.
yeah.
In business, a project that starts from scratch is called a goldfield, brownfield, or greenfield project.
I'm just going to say greenfield just because it's
It is a greenfield
green is
project.
new.
The side in a triangle opposite the right angle is called
Hypotenuse.
the hypothesis, hypotenuse, or hypotomy.
The score on the hippopotamus
It
is
is
equal to the
hypotenuse.
sum of the scores on the other two sides.
When doing a SWOT analysis, what does the W stand for? Workers, weaknesses, or wearables?
Now I know SWOT is an engineering thing, so I'm thinking probably going to be weaknesses, right?
I'm going to say weaknesses because I think this is about engineering.
Okay.
Weaknesses.
Yay.
The angles of a triangle add up to 180, 360, or 720
Be
degrees.
180 because 360 is a circle, 180
180
is
degrees.
a triangle.
Which financial statement reports the revenues and expenses for a period of time? An income statement, balance sheet, or cash flow statement?
Income statement probably?
The answer is income statement.
There you go.
What do you call the rate of price increases over a given period of time?
That'd
Attrition,
be
recession, or
inflation.
It is inflation. In a fraction, what do you call the number above the line? A denominator, a numerator, or a fractal?
I think that's a numerator.
The correct
I
answer
might
is
be wrong there.
numerator.
I'm right.
Found in financial reports in the abbreviation EBIT. What does the I stand for? Interest, income, or informal?
Probably income, I'm
It stands for
thinking, maybe?
interest.
Okay, there, I got no idea.
What is 2 to the power 3? Is it 4, 8,
Uh,
or 16?
Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So it's going to be 8 then, right? Okay.
The correct answer is 8.
Yay.
Someone that owes your business money is called a creditor, payee, or a debtor.
A debtor. Creditor you owe to, a debtor they owe you.
What do you call the use of government spending and taxation to influence the economy? Is it judicial, monetary, or
Theft,
fiscal
probably.
policy?
No, fiscal policy.
It is fiscal policy.
Judicial
In
law
which city
monetary
is the
development.
headquarters of the International Monetary Fund? Is it in Paris, Washington D.C., or The Hague?
I know Washington DC, I think.
What do you call the reduction in the value of an asset over time? Is it accrual, liquidation,
That would be
or depreciation?
depreciation.
It is called depreciation. Rickets is caused by a lack of which vitamin? Vitamin A, C, or vitamin D?
Rickets, vitamin A, I think. Okay.
The right answer is vitamin D.
That'll be
What type of
hydrochloric
acid is stomach
acid.
acid? Is it sulfuric, formic, or hydrochloric acid? It is hydrochloric acid. Which organ do insects not have? Lungs, heart, or brain?
Lungs, I think. They absorb, they don't breathe.
Insects do not have lungs.
Well,
How many arms does an octopus
octa
have?
means
6,
8, so
or
it's going to
10?
be 8 arms.
It has 8 arms. Which of the following will you not find in a cell in the human body? Mitochondria,
I think it's
chloroplast,
chloroplast,
or
'cause I think
lysosome?
that's to do with plants.
Chloroplast. What is the female part of a flower called? Is it the pistil,
I think
xylem,
it's
or
the
stamen?
pistol. The pistol? There we go.
It is the pistil. Where in the body are blood cells made? In the
Cerebellum's the
cerebellum, liver,
brain.
or
I'm
bone
saying
marrow?
the bone marrow. Yay.
The correct answer is bone marrow. What type of tooth is an elephant's tusk? Is it a canine, a molar, or
Incisor, probably, because it's the pointy bit. No, it's the canine. Incisor, then. I was right.
It is an incisor. Which of the following is not a
Diabetes.
communicable disease? Salmonella, diabetes, or measles? Diabetes. Which organ produces bile? Is it the pancreas,
Probably the liver.
or the
I'm
gallbladder?
thinking the gallbladder, but it's probably going to be the liver. Yay.
Bile is produced in the liver. What do you call someone that studies fossils? An
Paleontologist.
ichthyologist, oncologist, or paleontologist? The correct answer is paleontologist. What do you call animals that are mostly active at twilight? Crepuscular, diurnal,
I'm
or
going to say
nocturnal?
nocturnal. I'm wrong. Okay,
They are
no.
called crepuscular. Which
That's
is another name for your tailbone? Is it the
your
coccyx,
coccyx.
sternum, or
Sternum is your
humerus?
chest bone. Humerus is your
It is the
collarbone.
coccyx.
Coccyx is there.
Which of the following is a
That'd
problem of
be
not having enough
anemia.
healthy red blood cells? Insomnia, anemia, or amnesia? Anemia. What do you call trees that seasonally shed their
Deciduous.
leaves? Succulent, coniferous, or deciduous?
Succulent, a cactus, and coniferous, coniferous
They are called
evergreens.
deciduous.
Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Which SI unit is used to express electrical resistance?
that'd
Is
be
it volt,
ohm.
joule, or ohm? The correct answer is ohms. In Einstein's
Energy
E
equals
mc
mass
squared
times
formula, what does
4
the M stand
squared,
for?
so it'd be mass.
Momentum, or matter? The right answer is mass.
There's an
For
equal and
every action,
opposite
there is an
reaction.
equal and
That would
opposite in
be
action, attraction, or reaction.
Newton. Third law, I think.
Reaction. On the periodic table, what is the symbol for copper? Is it CO,
I think it's Cu because
or
they
AU?
use gold in it. I think it's Cu. Co would be
Cu
2.
for
And
copper.
oh, sorry.
What is the more common name for H2SO4? Table salt, sulfuric acid, or
Sulfuric
bicarbonate
acid.
of soda?
Sulfuric acid.
It is sulfuric acid. Which is the most abundant
Hydrogen.
element in the universe? Is it hydrogen, oxygen, or carbon? The right answer is hydrogen. Which scientist
That
wrote the
would
book A Brief History
be
of Time? Isaac Newton,
Stephen
Stephen Hawking,
Hawking,
or
if
Albert
I'm not
Einstein?
mistaken.
Stephen Hawking. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Is it
Don't know,
Saturn, Jupiter,
Jupiter?
or Neptune?
I'm probably wrong though. Okay, Saturn.
answer is
I could
Saturn.
remember that.
Fool's
would be
gold is in
pyrite.
reality which mineral? Derpite, hematite, or pyrite? It is pyrite. Which of these subatomic particles is the heaviest? A proton,
I'm going to say
electron, or neutron?
neutron, but I'm probably wrong. Like neutron bomb. Okay, there you
The
go.
correct answer is neutron. What do you call the change in frequency of a
Oh,
moving
that's the
sound or
Doppler
light
effect.
source?
That's where you get
Butterfly
radars
effect,
from.
Doppler effect, or Mandela effect? It is the Doppler effect.
That'd be a cat.
Which animal does Schrödinger use in his famous thought experiment? A
Cat
cat,
poisoned a
dog, or
piece of
rabbit?
radioactive material in a box, I think it was. It exists and doesn't exist at the
Schrödinger's
same
cat.
time.
What do you call the
Float,
ability or
that'd be
tendency of something
buoyancy.
to float in a liquid? Is it buoyancy, ductility, or fluidity? It is buoyancy. Which planet in our solar system has the hottest average surface temperature?
I'm going
Is
to
it
say
Mercury,
Mercury
Venus, or
because they're
Mars?
close to the sun, but I'm probably wrong. Oh, Venus.
The
So there
correct
you
answer
go.
is Venus. What type of bond forms when two atoms share electrons? A kinetic, ionic, or
Probably
covalent
ionic.
bond?
Oh.
It is a covalent bond.
Uh-oh. Logic and reasoning.
Which is the odd one out? A square, parallelogram,
Cube, because the
or
other
triangle?
3 are 2-dimensional, and it's 3-dimensional.
The cube is 3D. Which two words are closest in meaning? Obtuse, pedigree, origin, or paradox?
Pedigree and origin? Because... Okay.
Pedigree and origin. Bizarre is to outlandish, as eccentric is to eerie,
I would
quirky,
say
esoteric, or weird.
quirky. So the quirky or weird, I'm going for quirky. There you go.
Quirky. Which is the odd one out? Banner,
A
pennant,
staff,
enzyme,
because
or
the other
staff?
3 are kind of flags or material things. Whereas a staff is a rod.
Staff. The others are all types of flags. Pig is to porcine, as fox is to ursine, vulpine,
Okay, lupine is
bovine,
fox,
or lupine.
bovine is vulpine. Because ursine's horse,
Vulpine.
I think.
Which two words are closest in meaning?
Just
Haughty,
arrogant.
accomplished,
Haughty and arrogant.
credulous, arrogant. Haughty and arrogant. Which is the odd one out? Trident, triangle, tributary, or triad?
Tributary, because the other 3 are 3s. Tributary isn't.
Tributary. It has nothing to do with 3. Newton is to force, as Kelvin is to energy, temperature, pressure, frequency.
Temperature.
The answer is temperature. Which two words are closest in meaning? Secure, masticate, twist, gnaw.
Gnaw and masticate both mean chew.
Masticate
Chew.
and gnaw. Which is the odd one out? Femur, patella, tibia, mandible.
I'm saying mandible because that's a jawbone. The other one are in your leg, if
Mandible.
I remember
The others
rightly.
are found in your leg. And that is the end of today's quiz.
Cool.
How many questions could you answer correctly?
Oh, that's clever.
Take a look which rank you managed to get and share your result in the comments below. Remember,
So there you go. Bonus question. What do you call the
So there you go. I hope you had a good time. Go ahead and put in how many you did. I have no idea what I'm doing. Sorry about the reflection. There's something on with my microphone. So I'll have to get a new one probably. Anyway, have a great time and look at the sky more often.